Many people assume that as long as a material is 316 alloy stainless steel, there won't be any problems. In reality, 316 alloy is just a material. What truly determines product quality is the welding process. If porosity, lack of fusion, or fine cracks occur during welding, they are nearly impossible to detect with the naked eyes, even if the weld surface looks perfectly smooth. Internal defects may still exist. That's where ultrasonic non-destructive testing comes in. Ultrasonic waves travel through the material. When they encounter an abnormal interface, echoes are generated, helping inspectors determine whether internal defects are present. Only when weld quality meets the required standards can the product proceed to the next production stage or be shipped. 316 alloy stainless steel is an excellent material, but good material alone does not guarantee that every weld is defect-free. What truly makes the product reliable is not just the material itself, but rigorous quality inspection.